Greetings.
Hi, my name's Jordan, and welcome to
5024 Steam at Home.
for today's experiment. We're going to be making Hovercraft. What you're going to need for this experiment is a balloon. Yep, show it to the camera, Jordan. Okay. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. After that, you'll need a nice water bottle. Okay, hurry up, Jordan. Yeah. And you're also going to need your literal favorite Wii game that you can't play anymore because your dog keeps scratching the back of it and the Wii won't read it and you're actually really sad about it, but it's okay. Crap, I forgot you also need a hot glue gun.
Pew pew.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Also, I got kind of tired while editing, so here's me making some toast, proceeding to buttering it up, and then eating it. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Now, the first step is going to be with the water bottle. Drink it.
Cause I just know that you are dehydrated. Now you need to get some H2O in your system. Now drink that water bottle. You dehydrated yet capable.
Now that your water bottle's empty, flatten it, then cut off the top. Now trim it to make sure it fits nicely over the hole. Then, hot glue. Then fasten the balloon on. Blow it up. Make sure to hold in the air at the base of the balloon. Give it a little push and...
Deja vu, I just been this time before. Higher on the beat and I know it's a place.
Here's me with a jar of tiny pickles. Thanks for watching. Catch us next time on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our platforms. Please. Okay.